Today we are going to perform an activity for the formation of compounds.
For this, we have assigned atoms and polyatomic ions to the different students as can be seen.
We will announce the name of the compound and the students with constituent will come forward and make a formula.
So let's start.
Zinc sulfide. Zn plus 2.
SO3 minus 2.
And the formal charge of sulfide is 2. So the formula becomes ZnSO3.
Silver bromide. Ag plus 1.
Br minus 1.
The formal charge of silver and bromide both is 1. So the formula is AgBr.
Potassium hydride.
K plus 1. H minus 1.
The formal charge of potassium is 1 and the formal charge of hydride is 1. So the formula becomes K1.
Iron sulfide.
F sulfide S
Fe2 plus S minus 2.
The formal charge of both iron and sulfide is 2. So the formula is FeS.
Sulfate.
SO4 minus 1. Mg plus 2.
The formal charge of magnesium is 2 and the formal charge of sulfate is 2. So the formula becomes MgSO4.
NaCl.
Na plus.
Cl minus 1. The formal charge of both sodium and chloride is 1. So the formula is NaCl.
दोबारा
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Na plus.
ACO minus 3.
The formal charge of sodium is 1 and the formal charge of hydrogen carbonate is 1. So the formula becomes NaHCO3.
Ammonium hydroxide. NH4 plus 1. The formal charge of both ammonium and hydroxide is 1. So the formula is NH4OH.
Magnesium oxide.
Mg plus 2.
O2 negative. The formal charge of magnesium is 2 and the formal charge of oxide is 2. So the formula becomes MgO.
Silver nitride. Ag plus 1. NO3 minus 1. The formal charge of silver and nitrate is 1. So the formula is AgNO3.
Zinc sulfide.
Zn plus 2.
S minus 2.
The formal charge of zinc is 2 and the formal charge of sulfide is 2. So the formula becomes ZnS.
Oxide.
एक मिनट दोबारा
Iron 2 oxide.
Fe2 plus.
The formal charge of both iron and oxide is 2. So the formula is FeO.
Hydrogen phosphate, also known as phosphoric acid.
Hydrogen plus 1.
PO4 minus 3.
The formal charge of hydrogen is 1 and the formal charge of phosphate is 3. So the formula becomes H3PO4.
Aluminum oxide.
Al plus 3. OH negative. O2 negative.
The formal charge of aluminum is 3 and the formal charge of oxide is 2. So the formula is Al2O3.
Sodium sulfate.
Na plus.
So 4 minus 2.
The formal charge of sodium is 1 and the formal charge of sulfate is 2. So the formula becomes Na2SO4.
Iron 3 oxide.
Fe plus 3.
The formal charge of iron is 3 and the formal charge of oxide is 2. So the formula is Fe2O3.
Sodium carbonate.
Na plus. CO minus 2.
The formal charge of sodium is 1 and the formal charge of carbonate is 2. So the formula becomes Na2CO3. Thank you.
Copper sulfate.
Cu plus 1.
SO4 minus. The formal charge of both copper and sulfate is 2. So the formula is CuSO4.